In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form using Google Forms. This process is perfect for those who want to gather information, conduct surveys, or simply collect data efficiently. Google Forms is a versatile and user-friendly tool that makes creating professional and fully customizable forms a breeze. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms by typing forms.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once on the Google Forms homepage, you'll find several pre-made templates to choose from. These are categorized under various headings such as work, education, and personal. You can either select a pre-designed template or start with a blank form by clicking on the big plus icon for a new form. Once you've opened a new form, you'll see a simple interface with the main title at the top. Click where it says Untitled Form and enter a title for your form. This title should reflect the purpose of your form succinctly. Below the title, there is a field for form description. Use this to provide any details or instructions that might help respondents fill out the form more effectively. Now, let's add questions. Click on the plus sign on the side panel to add your first question. You'll notice that Google Forms automatically suggests a question type based on the phrasing you use. It supports multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and even scales, among others. Click on the drop-down menu next to the question to choose your preferred format. Type your question into the Untitled Question field and provide answer options if applicable. Don't forget to toggle the Required option if this question needs to be answered by everyone responding. To add more questions, repeat the process by clicking the plus sign again. You can also add sections by clicking the icon that looks like two columns split in the side panel. Adding sections is great for organizing longer forms and helps break them down into manageable parts for the respondents. Once all your questions are added, it's time to customize the theme. Click on the Artist's Palette icon at the top of the page to change the theme color, add images, or adjust the font style. This will help your form look professional and aligned with your brand or personal aesthetic. When your form is ready, click on the Send button located at the top right of the screen. You can share your form via email, direct link, or embed it on your website. Choose the method that best suits how you'd like to reach your audience. Before sending the form, it might be wise to preview it. Click on the eye icon at the top of the screen to see how it will appear to respondents. Make sure everything is in the correct order and appears as you expect. And that's it. You've successfully created a fillable form using Google Forms. This tool is incredibly powerful for gathering information quickly and efficiently. Happy form building!